In today's video, I'll show you how to remove the rear taillight on a 7th generation Hyundai Elantra. The process is simple and doesn't require any special skills, but there are a few important details you should know to avoid damaging the clips or the taillight itself. Be sure to watch the video until the end so you don't miss any important steps. Let's get started. First, open the trunk. To access the back of the taillight, we need to remove the interior trunk trim. Start by removing the plastic clips that hold the trim in place. I recommend using a plastic trim removal tool like this one, as it helps remove the clips safely without damaging the panels. Carefully pry each clip out and set them aside. After removing the clips, you'll also need to remove this screw here. This will give you enough room to pull the trim panel back and create full access to the rear of the taillight. Once the screw is removed, carefully take off the trim panel. Now you have complete access to the taillight assembly. As you can see, the taillight is secured by three 10mm nuts. Using a ratchet with a 10mm socket, remove all three nuts. Keep them in a safe place since you'll need them during reinstallation. Once the three nuts are removed, it's time to take the taillight out. Pull the taillight straight toward you with steady, even pressure. Don't be afraid to use a little force, but don't jerk it suddenly. The outer side of the taillight is held in place by a retaining clip, so it may feel tight at first. Apply gentle pressure from different sides, and the clip will eventually release. Before completely removing the taillight, don't forget to disconnect the electrical connector. Press the locking tab on the connector, unplug it, and then you can safely remove the taillight from the vehicle. Now you can also see how the taillight is designed from the inside. Notice the retaining clip on the outer side. This is the reason why you need to pull the taillight straight toward yourself instead of trying to lift or twist it. And that's it! The rear taillight has been removed successfully. Thank you very much for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next tutorial.